Let's dive into understanding Python's file extensions, py, pyc, pyd, and bapyo. 1. The most familiar is write single quote .py, write single quote comma, representing a standard Python source code file. This is what you write and edit directly. 2. Next, we have write single quote .pyc, write single quote files. These are bytecode files. When you run a Python program, the interpreter compiles your write single quote .py, write single quote code into bytecode, a lower level set of instructions that's closer to machine code but still platform independent. These write single quote .pyc, write single quote files are stored in an __pycache directory within your project's directory. The purpose is to speed up execution. The interpreter can load and execute the bytecode directly next time, instead of recompiling the write single quote .py, write single quote file, making subsequent runs faster. 3. Then there are write single quote .pyd, write single quote files. These are Python dynamic link libraries. Think of them as the Python equivalent of write single quote .dl, write single quote files on Windows, or write single quote .so, write single quote files on Linux Mac OS. They contain compiled extensions written in languages like C or C++, which extend the capabilities of Python. This allows you to integrate external libraries and utilize highly optimized code. These are usually created when you install packages that have compiled components. 4. Finally, we have write single quote .pyo, write single quote files. These are optimized bytecode files. They're very similar to write single quote .pyc, write single quote files, but they're created when you run Python with the O optimize flag. This flag triggers optimizations during compilation, potentially leading to smaller and faster bytecode. However, the optimizations might come at the cost of slightly reduced debugging information. In summary, write single quote .py, write single quote holds your human-readable code. Write single quote .pyc, write single quote stores the compiled bytecode for faster execution. Write single quote .pyd, write single quote contains compiled extensions for adding functionality. And write single quote .pyo, write single quote is a further optimized bytecode version. You typically interact directly with write single quote .py, write single quote files, while the others are generated by the interpreter or during the installation of extensions. Remember that write single quote .pyc, write single quote, and write single quote .po, write single quote files are usually automatically managed by Python, and you generally don't need to directly work with them unless you're delving into the internals of Python's compilation process or optimizing performance in very specific scenarios.